Here's a random search result, and let's say I want to copy one or two words. If I simply drag from the left to the right, notice it's selecting the entire line, and it's doing the selection from the right and not from the left. Once again, it's selecting the entire line. So how to select, let's say, a word or two instead of the entire line? The secret is the Alt key. So hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and then drag with the left click of your mouse. Alt and left click, and now you just selected one single word. Now if I copy this one, right click on it and copy, it's network. If I paste it up here, the word network should appear. So right click, paste, and network is there. So hold on the Alt key and drag with the left click of the mouse in order to select just one word. Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl V to paste it, and only that word was copied. Alt and left click.